Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to unblock adult channels on Telegram. Let's get started. If you open the Telegram app on your iPhone or Android and notice that adult or sensitive content isn't visible, this setting cannot be changed inside the app itself. To fix this, you'll need to use a web browser instead. You can do this on any device, iPhone, Android, or even a computer. Open a browser and go to web.telegram.org. Make sure you visit .org, not .com. Once the page loads, sign in using your phone number. Select your country code, enter your phone number, and continue. Telegram will send you a login code. This code may arrive as an SMS or directly inside your Telegram app if you're already logged in on another device. Enter the code to log in. You may be asked to allow permissions. Just tap Allow to continue. Once you're logged into the web version of Telegram, tap on the three-line menu in the top left corner and go to Settings. Inside Settings, scroll down and tap on Privacy and Security. Now, scroll all the way to the bottom of this page. Here, you'll see an option related to sensitive content, such as Disable Filtering or Enable 18+ content. Tap on Disable Filtering to remove the restrictions. After changing this setting, close Telegram completely and reopen the app on your phone. Once you do that, adult and restricted channels should now be visible, and that's how you unblock adult channels on Telegram. If you found this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you for watching.